In this video, I show you how to fix Gcash waiting for you to allow camera permission problem. For fixing this problem, go to your phone settings, then go to Apps or Application Management, then tap on it, then tap on COS. Now search for Gcash, tap on Gcash, tap on Permission, now tap on Camera, then Allow, Microphone, Allow, Location, Allow, Contacts, Allow, Magic and Audio, Allow. Now, restart your phone. Up to rate touch your phone now. I hope that this method fixed your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.